I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the footrest on the Jazzy Carbon 27X. The 27X is Pride Mobility's lightweight folding X-frame power chair. The footrests actually are adjustable as well if you want to adjust the height up or down. That is something you can do on this chair. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. If you need parts for this chair or are interested in this chair, I have a link in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. Now, in order to adjust these foot plates, you want to take this bolt out. On one side is going to be a 5mm Allen wrench. The other side is a 10mm nut. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take the nut off of this side. Just like that. And then we're going to try and push this bolt out. There's a little washer in here too, a little plastic washer that goes on like that. And then I'm going to use, since it's kind of tight in there, I'm going to just like turn it to the left to unthread it out. It's not actually threaded in there, that just helped me since it was kind of stuck. Then from there you can either take these completely off and you can see that there's 3 different hole adjustments, or you can leave it in and slide it up or down. You'll just want the hole to appear right in here. So that's the adjustment that I want. I have these all the way down for a taller person. You're going to thread this back in until it comes out the other side. Make sure you put this nut on with the curved side facing the leg rest like that. And then go ahead and hand tighten this nut. Stick your Allen wrench back in, and we'll go ahead and tighten this again. That's good and tight. And now we've adjusted the height of our leg rest. This has been how to adjust the footrest on the Jazzy Carbon 27X. Once again, if you need parts for this chair, if you're interested in this chair, we do ship these all across the United States. I have a link in the description below to our parts page, as well as the page for this chair for current pricing. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd love to speak with you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.